In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add money to your Fiat wallet on Crypto.com. This process will enable you to deposit funds via various methods such as bank transfers, credit or debit cards, and even Google Pay or Apple Pay. Let's dive right in and make this as straightforward as possible. To begin, you'll need to open up your crypto app on your mobile device. Once you're in, the first step involves linking your bank account to your Crypto.com app. This is a crucial step as it lays the groundwork for future transactions. Bear in mind that you might need to verify your identity at this stage, which could require uploading certain documents like your bank statement or a utility bill. It's a quick process, and once you're through, you're ready for the next steps. Next, navigate to your accounts by selecting the Accounts tab within the app. This section is your gateway to managing your funds across different wallets. Once you're in the Accounts section, look for the option labeled Cash. This is where you can add money to your Fiat wallet. By clicking this option, you advance a step closer to having those funds ready for spending or trading. Now, you'll find yourself faced with options regarding which currency account to use. In this case, click on USD account. This is assuming you're dealing in US dollars. It's important to ensure you're in the right account to avoid any currency conversion surprises later on. If you're interested in trading on the Crypto.com exchange, remember this step also involves logging into your Crypto.com app and selecting your crypto wallet from the account section. Then, it's just a matter of choosing your desired cryptocurrency, hitting transfer, followed by withdraw, and selecting Crypto.com exchange. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transfer. Now let's talk about the transfer itself. You'll want to select your preferred deposit method. Typically, you have three distinct options to choose from. First up is the traditional bank transfer, a reliable and straightforward way to move funds from your bank into your Fiat wallet. Alternatively, you might prefer the convenience of purchasing cryptocurrency directly with a linked credit or debit card. This too will deposit funds straight into your wallet. Lastly, for those who favor swift transactions, Google Pay and Apple Pay are excellent choices, ensuring your deposit arrives in mere moments. And that's it, a seamless way to add funds to your Crypto.com Fiat wallet. Whether you're gearing up to trade or simply expanding your crypto portfolio, this guide should have you confidently handling transfers like a pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.